Barbara 2, Antioch 1, and Bernadette our young Nancy says will be taking turns. Thank you everyone for coming. And I started a bit late this evening. Sir Park was a bit of an interest. We had a number of guests who are all still walking through tonight. It's not very close.
Hello， 大家好，歡迎大家嚟參加由聯邦議員為主辦嘅公義之夜，多謝大家嚟啦。我哋台上4位義工咧係今晚嘅大會司儀，咁喺我左手邊咧有陳卓賢嘅司，右手邊有關朗明嘅司同埋南方嘅佢會計師，我叫做林子華，喺過去呢8個月咧都有參與禁漁節附例呢件事件同埋提出我哋嘅不滿嘅。
請大家喺度就學咯。
Oh, Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love in all thy sons of men, with glowing hearts we see rise the true North, strong and free. From far and wide, oh Canada, we stand on high for thee. God keep our head glorious and free. Oh Canada, we stand on high for thee. Oh Canada, we stand on high for
Speaker tonight, I'd like to introduce our co-chairs of the FARGA, Ben Lowe and John Lowe, who are co-chairs of the Fair Responsible Governance Alliance. And they'll give a bit of background on the organization and discussing issues we're all here tonight to learn more on.
而家有請我哋為員工議員嘅共同主席梁建文先生同埋梁亞邦先生為我哋致辭。
And Barbara. So shall I use this mic? So good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So welcome to the fundraising event for FARGA, Fair and Responsible Governance Alliance. This is our first fundraising event, and we would like to thank you everyone to participate in this event to give us a great support. We all know that last year in October, City of Toronto already passed a bylaw to ban all the shark fin products in terms of the sales, consume, and also the possession of shark fins. So this bylaw will be start from September this year. And we totally disagree with this bylaw, and we think this bylaw is totally unreasonable, unfair, and irresponsible. So that's why we are here tonight. So later on, we will give you a slide presentation to lead you through more about this bylaw and how it affecting our community. So we all understand that in December, So Toronto Chinese Business Association is already received a threat letter from eco-terrorism. So basically, it is already affecting our community harmonies. So tonight, we are over 1,000 guests here to support this fundraising event. So we are here is not for charity fundraising. We are not for the award presentation to the Chinese community leaders, and also we are not for the networking. So we are here as a Canadian citizens to show our concern on an unfair and irresponsible bylaw. We are here for a justice. 各位，咁大家都知道喺舊年10月份啦，多倫多市政府咧就通咗一個附例，就禁止咧就喺嚟緊9月份咧就絕對禁止所有人擁有魚翅、買賣魚翅同埋食用魚翅嘅。咁喺加拿大呢個民主社會裏邊，我哋好難以形容我哋對呢件事產生嘅氣憤，因為我哋加拿大可以准許啲漁夫去捕捉鯊魚，出口入口，所有魚翅嘅入口咧都係合法嘅，但係偏偏就唔俾我哋中國人食呢個魚翅。咁而且實際上喺投票當日，我哋組織咗300幾人喺個市議會度聽取呢個投票。當日嚟講，個市議員Grand Ear Makers 放條鯊魚喺個市議會嗰度，擾攘咗半粒鐘。一個非常嚴肅嘅議題，就係喺一個嘻嘻哈哈嘅情況之外咧，投票贊成。呢個條例咧，就直接影響到我哋華人社區嗰個團結同埋和諧。佢最重要一點咧，就係有啲環保人士咧，更加直接聯繫到我哋食魚翅，所有魚翅咧都係從其他國家非法入口，甚至乎咧係用不正法嘅手段，包括係 finning 嚟攞呢個魚翅嘅。所以咧，我哋覺得呢個做法非常不公平。我哋因此咧成立呢個FAGA呢個聯盟咧，希望對多倫多政府啦作出法律嘅提訴。咁希望我哋從法律嘅途徑可以將呢個bylaw退化。咁樣大家嘅出現就表示對我哋呢個會嘅支持。我哋呢個會本身所有 director 同埋 committee member 全部都係自願性質參與，甚至乎我哋係行政費用係零嘅，所收取嘅任何費用咧都係放於對多倫多呢個附例咧作咗法律行動。咁或者我交俾我哋另一位共主席Ben 再同大家講多少少關於我哋個會嘅宗旨。
各位大家好，我諗喺阿 George 話俾嘅演詞入邊已經講足夠魚翅 shark 呢個字，從呢刻鐘呢兩個字我唔會再講，因為公義聯盟其實同正話講嗰兩個字係冇乜大嘅關係，我哋講緊係公義，我哋講緊就係話一啲法例通過咗喺完全冇了解到事實嘅真相、事實嘅全面，而片面地用個人嘅價值觀粗糙濫數咁過咗一個法例，影響到一啲人嘅生活。公義聯盟嘅成立就係一班好似在座咁，其實你哋呢1100位嘅在座嘅人士，同我哋台上嘅4位，或者喺琴晚做到4點半鐘嘅10幾位義工喺 But we have to suffer for these 2 years. We have to see all voters as smart. They will not be fooled next time. Thank you.
Started in and around the summer of 2011 when the city of Brantford on May 16, 2011 enacted a bylaw banning shark food consumption in that particular municipality. That led to a domino effect in July, October, November respectively in Oakville, Mississauga, City of Toronto, City of London, and the town of Pickering, all of which municipalities had enacted bylaws banning shark food. And sale, consumption, and possession of shark fin in particular municipalities. On November 21st, 2011, which was also the same day as the City of London and the town of Pickering had enacted their bylaw, CARGA, which is the organization which we're all here for tonight, Career and Responsible Governance Alliance, became registered as a not-for-profit organization in Ontario. And that's the organization we're all here to represent tonight and everyone's here to support. As a result of CARGA's creation and the people within the community and outside of our respective ethnic community had created, the city of Mississauga actually had revoked or revisited their ban in December of 2011. The shark fin ban itself, as everyone knows, has been a highly contested issue within the media, mainstream, and within our ethnic media as well. It's had a polarizing effect on our community. And judging by all of our attendance here tonight, which I'm told is over 1,000 people, we have some great support within the Canadian Chinese community. So just 3 thoughts before we start dinner and close see Carla's translates the speech in Chinese, is the mission of the Alliance, or the mission of CARGA, is essentially to monitor, address, and take necessary action on unjust, unfair, and irresponsible statements, actions, and policies by all levels of government and non-government organizations in Canada
5月15號嘅時候咧，就香港係第一個城市咧，就係禁咗魚翅。咁跟住就7月4號復權，10月12號就 Vicious Circle， 跟住10月25號咧就多倫多市，而11月21號咧一晚之間咧同時有2個城市，分別就係 London 同埋 Pickering 咧都係禁咗魚翅嘅。咁喺11月29號嘅時候咧，就多倫多華商會咧就係收到一封電話，
我哋已經係 OK 㗎啦，已經。
就知道魚翅咧係一啲杜拜組織咧寫咗多倫多華商會一個報告咧，就係話如果唔再係一個城市嘅話，佢哋就會喺大學街裏邊咧就係有魚翅嘅。咁而喺10月8號嘅時候咧，新民主黨嘅何孟地國會議員咧，佢提出一個私人法案咧，就係禁入口魚翅嘅。咁跟住10月14號咧，喺西西加市嘅市議會咧，就係對開咗會，希望可以再商討呢個禁魚翅嘅事嘅。咁亦都喺呢8個月裏邊所發生嘅事咧，就促成咗為員工聯盟嘅成立嘅。咁最主要咧，呢個聯盟咧就係一個非牟利黨派嘅組織嚟嘅。我哋試圖咧就監察加拿大政府各級政府同埋一啲非政府團體咧，如果佢哋發出一啲唔公平、唔負責任嘅言論政策咧，我哋就會希望公開好有力採取法律行動嘅。
你我食點解先食到兩班仔？
大家係等食晚飯嘅時候啦。So for today, we would like to start our dinner. At the same time, I would like to call upon the performance from Viola Su. She's going to perform Raising Up and Winding for Just the Way You Are.
Actually, the song is beautiful, but the coming up song is not beautiful. The new song called "Just the Way You Are" by Brian Lee. Enjoy the song.
Thank you very much for allowing me have a very generous donor here for us who agreed to match every dollar up to $100,000. And on behalf of this very generous donor, I'd like to invite Ms. Benita, who's the president of the Toronto Chinese Business Association, to make a speech.
其實喺過去我哋好多次咁已經提過，我哋喺社區上一位官員對政治更有同感嘅人士，佢不停地支出今晚喺將來就會相關嘅數字嘅錢，俾我哋做呢個亞非斯嘅費用。咁呢個咧繼續係透過多倫多華商會，然之後咧就捐出嚟啲咁嘅partner。聽我請俾你將多倫多華商會移咗出嚟，我哋幫我捐出啲幫助。
Happy New Year. May this year bring you and your progress and prosperity in 2012, year of the dragon. I apologize if you cannot hear my clear voice. I am home, so please bear with me. Thank you all for coming tonight. The fundraising dinner. This brings to raise funds to deal with the unfairness issue that the municipal government has said regarding the shopping plan. Because of this issue, the New Alliance Farmer, Fair and Responsible Government Alliance has promised to ensure the community receive fair and responsible treatment. The City of Toronto set an unfair bylaw to ban and prohibit retailers to sell soft drinks before in possession is imposes a very high penalty. This has raised concern in our community and agencies because of the city unreasonable possession, and a numerous donor has generously donated $100,000 Canadian to support a legal action against the city. The donor has entrusted Toronto Chinese Business Association to be the trustee of this donation. For the donor, think this is the most suitable because the donor has seen how much time and work TCA has committed in the past 6 months towards this issue. That said, this $100,000 will only be donated if Father is able to match the amount dollar for dollar. I hope each one of you will take the donor as a model and encourage you to raise funds to support this illegal action. Thank you once again for attending this event tonight, and your support is greatly appreciated. 或者我講少少中文啦。各位好，我係多倫多華商會嘅聲音。多謝大家今晚光臨呢一個晚會。今次嘅籌款呢，係因為對一啲唔公平嘅法律嘅落實，並且確保相關社區得到公平合理對待。Father, Fair and Responsible Government Alliance 已經成立咗。多倫多市政府頒布嘅禁止令，即係禁止商
都好，每一個人都係成長，包括今日喺度做緊嘅嗰位員工都係成長，因為每一個地方，每一位今日喺度做嘅每一個人都係對呢個業務咧都係有做嘅。只是每一位今天出席的人，他是10萬塊錢啊，10萬錢啊，都是我們最重要的一個，因為你們認同了我們這個組織的方向，這樣我們才能夠繼續下去，把這個公益請回來。謝謝。 所謂鯊魚，你做
關嘅法律係聯邦政府制定，捕捉鯊魚係聯邦政府管轄，聯邦政府嘅官員，包括我哋嘅總理哈珀在內，已明確表明魚翅問題唔係市府嘅範疇，亦唔係省府範疇，立法例就係越權，唔應該做嘅事係去做，係本末倒置，選人選己。第四係恐嚇無知，用短片、用恐嚇信，希望無知嘅人士喺恐懼嘅情況之下，一知半解、半知不解之下，做出唔理智嘅決定，係瞞天過海。勇敢、正義同埋清醒嘅人士唔會害怕呢樣嘢嘅。其實呢次鯊魚嘅風雲推動咗華人社區嘅關注，亦為華社帶來咗幾個啟示㗎。第一係今次喚醒咗大多倫多華人，讓佢哋意識到遇到唔公平嘅時候，必須發出聲音，必須挺身而出，那就係大多倫多嘅華人站起嚟。其次，我要重溫節目質節節嘅故事，那就係團結就係力量。華人社區同埋業界要有心理嘅準備，反對今次唔係一個短期嘅工作，係一次長征，需要長期嘅奮鬥、長期嘅作戰、永遠嘅連結。仲有魚翅唔單止係華社嘅議題，華社需要聯絡其他嘅族裔，爭取其他族裔嘅支持同埋理解。最後，我相信好多支持今次嘅議員喺內不明不白、不清楚具體數據情況之下做出咗決定。古文有句話：殺為和而不亂，惡今事而作非。我哋應該再一次同佢哋聯絡討論，希望佢哋能夠拖二流水，加入我哋反禁嘅陣營。新年快嚟到啦！喺度祝願大家龍年吉祥，龍馬精神，喺呢個更加嘅行動裏面，直搗黃龍。
all of you
differences are respected. People come here because we are a champion of democracy, not because we single out different cultures. We can all celebrate our differences. We can relish in our differences and in our uniqueness, but the one thing that brings us all together is that we are proud Canadians. Yes, clap for that. And that is why we are so respected around the world, because we are a champion of human dignity. No other country in the world is like Canada. So ladies and gentlemen, I am here tonight because I stand with you. This is not the kind of country where we single out cultures and we foment racism. This is not about shark fins. Shark fins are a symbol. They're a metaphor. Today it's fins, tomorrow it's something else. It's pork. Listen, I'm Jewish. I don't eat pork. But I will defend anyone's right who wants to eat pork in this country because we are a free and democratic country who respect each other's differences. So ladies and gentlemen, my friends, we stand here tonight together as proud and true Canadians. I am with you. We are together in this fight. Let's stand up to the Afro-terrorists and not accept their spewing of racism. Thank you.
Thank you, Mark. Hope we can bring a message to our parliament. I heard that AUP have a bill, personal member bill, target ban import of Sharpie. They can't even put the word out, ban import illegal Sharpie. They want to ban all the Sharpie import to Canada. This is good work. I hope both parties, the PC and the Liberal, to do some work. Thank you so much. And now I'm going to people from Ottawa, and we have someone from Queen's Park. Now you have to call in somebody from the local who belong to this place. 輝哥，你有挑戰啊！加兩個紅嘴講完嘢，你係第三個紅嘴，希望你上去。我哋喺個地球㗎，我哋要啱聽嘅嘢，唔該。Hello， 大家好，新年快樂！首先咧，歡迎大家嚟到烈士文山享用呢個咁豐富、咁有意義嘅一個晚宴。咁其實咧，我今日本人咧，我自己係嚟到呢一度，我係好感動。咁我冇之前嗰兩位講者咁有文采，但係我想講幾句心底嘅説話。因為咧，我嚟咗加拿大有差唔多26年。我咁大個仔做咗傳媒咁多年，今晚我哋唔係嚟飲結婚酒，唔係嚟飲生日酒，我哋大家係為咗一個共同嘅信念，一個共同嘅意見，為咗一個堅持，我哋大家坐喺度。我咁大個仔喺加拿大係第一次見，喺度咧，我好多謝你哋咁多位，今日都能夠花你嘅時間、花你嘅金錢咧出嚟支持今晚我哋呢一個嘅行動。咁我覺得咧，好多時候啲人都會話中國人都係國家自掃門前雪，中國人都係好冷感，中國人都係好唔團結。但我覺得今晚你哋在座每一位已經證明咗頭先我所講嘅嘢全部都係假嘅。我希望大家喺呢個時候咧俾啲掌聲你哋自己，因為你每一個咧都好有正義感，你每一位都好有義氣。當我哋見到有唔公平嘅嘢嘅時候，我哋應該指出嚟，我哋唔應該去懼怕有任何嘅困難。所以無論如何，我覺得我哋今晚大家坐喺度，我哋已經贏咗嘅。我哋繼續將場仗打落去，我哋希望可以憑住我哋今晚嘅主辦機構，佢哋每位成員加埋大家今晚嘅時間同埋我哋嘅努力同埋我哋嘅精神，我哋希望呢場仗
身而家輕鬆啦。咁咧就講翻文化，我哋中國文化即係流走。而家咧你見到班細路仔咧，就將啲超前嘅文化叫佢係跟黃佬。
After all these speeches, let's enjoy some dancing. As you see approaching on the stage, there's just not only little girls, but even to perform Chinese classical dance. All these little girls are aged 4 to 7, and they're from the Victoria Education Center. Please enjoy.
表演的地方是为了为成功筹款的。我们曾经多次的邀请其他的地区的司员来参加我们的公开的论坛，表达他们对这个单机仪式的看法，但是他们的答案，不是他们的答案，都从来没有实现过。幸好我们在周边地区还有一些胆量比较大的一些议员，好，我给你把万能时间，还有刚才的转播会场，看到吗？
各位大家好，喺呢度咧，首先恭喜維園公議員聯盟喺呢度搞個咁盛大嘅晚會。咁喺呢度咧，我代表萬錦市都祝大家新年快樂，同埋仲有一樣嘢就係想邀請你哋繼續去萬錦市食魚翅。食魚翅咧，除咗以前陳家之外，萬錦市亦都有㗎其實金魚翅嘅附例咧，其實係有3德嘅，就係不公平、不可行同埋不必要，即係不切實際。點解不公平咧？如果你話即係對動物嗰個殘忍程度啊咁，捕捉鯊魚咧遠遠不及鵝肝醬啊或者仲有其他嗰啲獵殺海豹啊嗰啲咁殘忍，跟住咧絕對唔公平嘅呢個附例。第二樣嘢咧不可行。如果一個聯邦政府嘅法例係容許出口同埋入口鯊魚魚翅嘅，我就睇唔到咧一個市嘅市政府點樣去執行咧去禁呢個魚翅。其實呢樣嘢係真係可笑嘅。第三樣嘢係不必要 unnecessary 係多餘嘅。我最記得咧，當我細個嗰時咧，係我媽咪話俾我聽，有咩嘢可以食，有咩嘢唔可以食。到我大個長大成人咧，係我老婆話俾我聽，有啲咩嘢可以食，咩嘢唔可以食。但係從來咧，市政府咧係冇一個角色嘅，我先佢講都唔聽佢講嘅，即係呢樣嘢係完全係不必要嘅。咁因此咧，希望咧就係透過今晚呢個晚會，咁咧維園公議聯盟佢哋能夠籌到足夠嘅錢，同市政府某啲市政府唔係所有市政府啊，某啲市政府打贏呢場官司，咁令到咧我哋中華飲食文化係得以繼續嘅。Thank you。
點啊？靠呢度，你坐呢度啦，我跟住你。
Thank you very, very much. I'm really, really excited to be here. It's an honor to be surrounded by Canadians. You're all Canadians. And I'm so glad to share this experience, and it makes me so excited because so many people are involved. I haven't seen so many people go for a political action forever. This is so heartwarming. And the decisions are most important. And you have organizers, but the second part that's important are you, my fellow Canadians. Because you need leadership, but you also need support. And what's really heartwarming about this, we all know it's not about shark fin. And that's why I think this organization is fantastic. It's about fair and responsible government. That's why I got involved. And here's what you need to do to succeed. You need to take action. And you just talk to each other. That doesn't help you achieve the goal. You have to reach outside to other people, to the politicians. You have to have them hear your voice. Yelling loudly determination and to be persistent. This is so wonderful to see so many people here. The secret is to get involved in politics. Because this decision was made by politicians. And you can make a world of difference by becoming involved. And why this is so important is because if you do nothing, you will lose. It's like a river. The river is going and you don't do anything, you will be washed away. But if you take action, all you do is stand up. That's what I did in Pickering. I thought the sheriff thing, Ben, was only an example of poor government. So what I did was, I stood up and I said it was wrong. And I gave reasons why I thought it was wrong. But I also listened to the other people who were saying it's wrong with something. Because you need to understand why are they saying that? How does their thinking come to be? So you have to speak and to listen. But the most important thing you can do is to stand up. If you lie down and somebody walks on top of you, you can't be surprised. I will not lie down. And I suggest do not lie down, stand up and make your voice heard. Thank you very, very much.
Along with this message here, as Peter was saying, we must stand up and persevere. We're not going to have some children again from the Victoria Education Center who tell us a story that I'm sure many of you here have heard before. And this story is called You Born to Be Son. What's the story about? It's about a man called Yvonne who used to immediately had two mountains in front of his house. One day, he left his family around and said, two mountains have given us too much trouble. We must move them away. The work began in the family, overnight baskets and shovels started slowly chipping away at the mountains. Peter saw him and said to him, "You're so foolish, you're so old and weak, you can't even move little hills, let alone mountains." And Yvonne replied, "I have sons, and my sons will have sons. I will have descendants, but the mountain will never grow taller." When the heaven heard the spirit of this foolish old man, they sent two immortals to move the mountains away. And this message in the story is really deep in our organization. The legal battle will be long, will be tedious, will take a lot of time, but despite how seemingly unachievable it is, with determination, anything can be achieved. And that's why we and all of you are here today. Thank you.
刚刚有一个律师用他的广东话说愚公移山，其实愚公移山是毛泽东老3天里面的其中1天，另外1天叫为人民服务，我们8把这些服務啦，現在是愚公移山。表哥兩位朋友咧係曾經喺經濟上面得獎過嘅，咁大家都先掌聲啊小朋友，睇講呢個成功咧可以2個山，但係點講得公平不公平唔開。
好啊，快啲講啊！嗰個
again, as you all children told us, we must persevere. And it doesn't end today. Thank you all for being here today, but this isn't the end of it. This is the beginning. And on everyone's table here, there are membership forms. And we're hoping all of you will become a member of our and continue our efforts here today. We ask that it's a minimum of a lifetime membership into Farga. And for those of you that are interested, I ask you all to fill in the membership form and someone can gather it all together. Now, we have a very generous donation from Mr. Cho from the Very Fair Chinese Restaurant, who's donated 2 banquet dinners as part of the membership draw. So for those of you who sign up to continue this cause and be a membership of Farga, we'll be put into this draw and potentially win dinners.
喺各位台上面咧，應該係有一沓嘅會員入會嘅表格。我而家懇請每一台最後3個位企身。The youngest one that all of you in this table stand up first. You are the leader of the table. Make sure you carry out the job. You hand out the form 將表格俾左頭一位，等佢填好咗之後 ，fill it out and put your name and the corresponding address 喺入面，同埋你嘅姓名落去，到我哋花壇會員。我哋嘅會費由10蚊開始，到10萬不止都冇所謂。Let's go up to limit. The lower limit is $10. Give us $10 right now, and give me our member for a lifetime. Just like last 2 weeks say, if they can't do the work, how is the boundary? Next generation and by generation. The membership is not transferable. 記得嘅，所以咧，你下一代去入會都 for generation your membership. And so make sure that the youngest individual collect the form, collect $10 from each of you, and we will have some even younger volunteer comes in to collect those forms. 我哋除咗你最年青嘅每一位喺台上填到晒表格之後咧，我哋有更年青嘅員工咧，過嚟收集嗰啲入會嘅表格。如果我哋喺一晚入面能夠1000個會員，咁我哋想象下10晚定1晚，咁我哋啲民選嘅議員，佢哋就開始對我哋呢個會，對你哋嘅力量咧，感覺到係有需要支持華人嘅聲音。我哋一直都係擔心緊，我哋嘅聲音係冇俾人注意到。我哋唔係要你白入會嘅，有啲人係覺得做呢個會嘅會員係有榮耀，有啲人覺得做呢個會員係羊群，無論你用邊個方法都好，都歡迎。我亦都鼓勵我哋有位好視長慷慨嘅行家曹強先生代表同福海鮮酒家，佢會送出2份每一圍價值600嘅酒席出嚟。如果邊個有一晚填咗個會員證，一陣間由曹生即場抽出嚟，有2位就可以去福海鮮酒家試一試600圍嘅酒席係咩嘢。我俾少少時間大家，你哋慢慢食，好希望咧，你哋每一台超過100蚊，因為你10個人啊嘛。咁你哋能夠超過100蚊嘅話咧，證明你哋嗰台嗰個年青人咧係真係好有為，係年青有為。如果唔係嘅話咧，就我哋可能都做呢一台係好唔多嘅。如果太熱嘅話。
Please everyone, take time and fill in membership forms. We're all looking at $700 membership on each table. Together, let's build a bigger and stronger voice. Thank you.
Actually, our US is really tight, and no time will be have extra for everyone. We have honorable guest just comes now. Actually, he's all the way through from Ottawa. Mr. John McCullough. And like he comes on stage, he says a few words.
Thank you very much. 大家好。
not just a matter of the food, it's not just a matter of the business, it's also a matter of respect for the people of Chinese Canadians within Canada. So that's the first point, and I believe that very strongly. The second point is all of the Chinese Canadians with whom I spoke also agreed that they were opposed to the practice of finning, opposed to the practice of taking off the fins and throwing the shark back in the water. So what we agreed to, I think, is that we want to have a system where shark fin soup is available, but where imports into Canada of shark fins are not subject to finning. And if we do that, we solve the whole problem. Because if we do that, then it makes no more sense to ban eating shark fin soup than it makes to ban eating a piece of salmon. It's the same thing, as long as there's no finning. So that is our position. We want Chinese culture to be respected. We want people to be able to eat shark fin soup, obviously, but we want to find a way to stop the practice of finning. And when we do that, we solve the whole problem 100%. So thank you very much, and have a great evening.
Thank you, John.希望各位还在填写张某的这个维权公益人的表格你们的支持对我们的推动，对我们的那个继续做下去，下一年我之前是很有力的、鼓舞的。要把这个维权公益联盟做到今天，其实背后有很多的动力，还有很多的义工。Right now, I would like to introduce the board of FAR, Fair and Responsible Governance Alliance. John, the co-chair. He never in the shop forever, ever. 我们中国3五3那个现在。前一位係我哋個關嘅反訴關者，佢係一位特許會計師，資深專，亦都係一位計數專業人士，係一個 CA， Capital Accounting， and also we have 張司長係反訴advisor， from 佢internal auditor。Jim White, our researcher. Andrea, the legal advisor, the young lawyer. Rick Howell, he is in charge of municipal government. And Kai Ha, who helping us do a lot of PR work. Eva mentioned another lawyer. He has a strong team of legal advice behind us. And Chen, Pedro. She's the one basically design our ticket, design our poster, and she do a lot of work and she's a production for Nike. John Tissot, he's helping us to recruit members. Okay, and we have another one which was since day one till today. Barbara Chiu.
So these are the people that have been working day and night to put this event together. And basically, this took a long way to go， 分咗好漫漫長路，都唔知呢個仗好似公仔咁打到幾耐先打完。但係我哋係繼續嘅。咁就你哋嘅出現係俾我哋一個好大嘅鼓舞嘅。我哋今日能夠企喺台上，亦都係你哋嘅支持。好希望喺未來嘅唔同嘅除咗處間事之外，有更加重要嘅事，我哋一樣會起身而出，排除惡法，爭取真正嘅公義。多謝晒。So I would like to call upon all the politicians. They have been working with us together in the past few months. John, sorry for your dinner. I'd like to come on stage. Mr. Michael Chan. And Adam. And Pastor and Peter. Thank you so much. Actually, there's certain people who really want to appreciate their working with us together as well, but they can never join our picture because they're the reporter, they're the photographer, and they took the picture of us, so try to join us to join us. 其實傳媒嘅朋友咧，喺過去呢個月咧，係打不停咁啦，係協助我哋，幫我哋。將我哋嘅信息咧係傳遞出俾呢個社區入邊，好多傳媒嘅朋友嘅幫助，基本上我哋係有考慮。今日咧係基本上所有嘅報紙電視電台喺過去呢幾個月，呢幾件事咧就報道咧係不偏不倚，將好多事實咧係講出嚟。當然啦，佢哋接觸多嘅事實。佢哋能夠將事態嘅前面係報俾大家聽。
哋做呢個 slide presentation 喺市政府嘅時候咧，有2/3嘅市民咧瞓咗覺。我哋希望今晚你哋即係俾10分鐘時間我哋會將實際上市政府呢條bylaw所產生嘅問題，同埋所有關於3月魚翅嘅資料同大家分享，亦都希望藉住你哋將呢個正確嘅信息帶俾你哋嘅朋友。
I was seeing the main presentation at the City Hall. Most of the councillors and members of Parliament they fell asleep because the presentation is not bloody and dramatic at all. There's no feeling, so most of them they feel very bored as they fell asleep.
希望大家靜一靜，只係俾10分鐘時間我哋完咗呢個 presentation， 我哋希望大家用呢啲資料將個信息傳遞出去，因為實際上當我哋同其他朋友講嘅時候，你哋食魚翅禁止魚翅對你有冇影響？好多魚翅嘅朋友都話：我唔會再食魚翅，我為咗生魚保育。但其實佢哋一般嚟講都係有個錯誤信息。我希望藉住今次嘅 presentation 能夠傳遞啲信息，因為我每次同一啲朋友講嘅時候咧，我只係會俾5分鐘時間，我解釋下成個過程俾佢聽。我哋係扭轉咗佢對魚翅呢個睇法嘅。喺舊年10月份。多倫多市政府正式立例，係禁止所有人士擁有、售賣同埋食用魚翅嘅。咁而當呢個市政府通過呢個bylaw之前咧，我哋曾經約見過2位市議員同埋Toronto Standard Alliance Committee去provide一啲正確嘅資料俾佢哋。大家唔知道？動議呢個bylaw咧，係有個市員叫做 Ray Yalikis， 而和議咧係Chrissy Walton， 我同爸爸差唔多用咗1個半鐘頭同佢哋解釋，結果佢哋係斷章取義，我哋所提供嘅數據一概不接納，佢哋只係針對一樣嘢就係佢喺 YouTube 所睇到嘅片段，過咗條鯊魚嘅期，一腳踢個鯊魚落水。依家係殘忍，佢認為我哋中國人所食用嘅魚翅就嚟自一啲不合法嘅國家，同埋全部都係割咗條皮、抌咗條鯊魚而造成嘅，所以佢哋基於環保嘅立場係絕對禁止我哋中國人食用魚翅嘅。好不幸地，呢個法例喺多倫多38票對4票通過咗。其實當初通過法例嘅時候，我哋嘅副市長德開嚟係不厭其煩地解釋呢個法例唔係市政府嘅 jurisdiction， 亦都係無法執行，因為執行呢個法例係需要多倫多市政府嘅衞生部，亦都唔係多倫多警察嘅法律事情。Standard Alliance Committee提供咗一系列嘅報告，同埋佢哋亦都有多佢哋嘅律師去 present 我，呢個絕對係市多倫多市政府嘅 jurisdiction， 但好不幸地，佢哋一意孤行，喺呢個去做一個好 emotional 嘅角度咧，係投呢個贊成票。而我哋嘅副市長德開嚟，亦都不厭其煩，希望修改呢個法例係不合法入口嘅魚翅呢個病，呢個佢哋一概不接納。呢條所有魚翅喺多倫多都要病。其實呢個法例係嚟緊9月份咧，就已經係確實執行㗎。我哋睇睇呢條法例個罰款，第一次觸犯呢個法例罰款5000蚊，第二次觸犯呢個法例罰款25000蚊，第三次10萬蚊。呢個數字比我哋藏貨更加要高，即係話我哋食用喺多倫多合法嘅魚翅，我哋喺多倫多市政府之下嘅人捉到，我哋嘅刑罰係比我哋藏貨更加重要。呢樣嘢我覺得係完全不可以接受。 基本上佢一再強調，其實自1994年開始，一個世界性嘅convention組織叫做 CITES Convention on International Trade and Gambling Issues of Foreign and Foreign 已經identify咗全世界只係有4種生意係瀕臨絕種係接受保育嘅，而喺420種生意裏面只有4種，而我哋中國人食佢嘅魚翅，大部分絕大部分都唔係受保護嘅動物魚類之內嘅。而根據 Fishery and Ocean Canada， 佢哋都一再強調喺加拿大已經有足夠嘅法例管轄所有任何嘅鯊魚，唔係非利。所謂非利就係一般嘅漁民將個鯊魚過河期，抌翻個鯊魚過波嚟落海。咁其實喺加拿大已經有足夠嘅法例去管制所有任何鯊魚都係合法同埋絕對唔非利嘅。我哋都得到Prime Minister Office嘅資料，佢亦都一再強調，其實加拿大已有足夠嘅法例去保護、去限制非法入口嘅魚翅，所有入口嘅魚翅都係受加拿大漁農處監管同認可嘅。而世界上已經有3個組織係堅決反對非利呢個做法。其實呢個一再肯定，我哋所入口嘅魚翅同埋4個魚翅，全係同正確嘅國家係入口，完全冇觸犯到任何法例，亦都冇個案顯示過我哋食嘅魚翅係非法入口嘅。如果站在健康呢個問題去爭拗嘅話，其實你哋喺 YouTube 度所見到好多嚟自 Wild8呢個組織擺好多資料上去 YouTube 嗰度，話我哋食嘅魚翅含水能量非常之高。而其實我哋經過一系列嘅資料搜集之下，我哋得到一個報告，呢個報告係嚟自新加坡，係新加坡一個機構叫做 Mercury Technology Service 所做嘅報告，佢一再肯定所有含水嘅含量，大部分係保留喺鯊魚嘅魚同埋鯊魚之間，而鯊魚翅因為佢嘅水能，因為佢嘅肉係好薄，所以含水量嘅機會好低。其實呢個一再顯示嘅話，我哋食嘅魚翅根本係同含水嘅含量有關。而實際上得出嚟嘅數據就係魚翅所含嘅水量嘅份量只係有5個 ppm。其實當你食一份鯊魚扒，甚至乎係一份三文魚所含嘅水量嘅含量，係比你食一份魚翅更加多。咁呢個咧，亦都係根據新加坡一個統計做出嚟嘅數據。啱啱提到CITES呢個組織，其實加拿大喺1975年已經成為CITES呢個會員國，個成員係包括175個國家，而加拿大亦都係呢個國家係當呢個CITES開始嘅時候咧，已經成為會員國，而佢呢個國家亦都有4種鯊魚，係420種鯊魚之中，只有4種係受保護嘅，係包括White Shark、Whale Shark、Swordfish 同埋Barnacle Shark。而我哋所食用嘅鯊魚，亦都係根據加拿大 Fishery and Ocean 嘅指引咧，係完全係以食嘅鯊魚裏面嘅。市政局嘅 Councillor 不斷提出一啲不合理嘅問題，包括佢話所有鯊魚都係受保護嘅，而實際上喺CITES或者加拿大政府一再強調420種嘅鯊魚裏面只係收4種受保護，我哋要食用嘅鯊魚嘅魚翅係絕對唔喺4種之內，所以呢個咧數據係不成立嘅。亦有數據顯示 Wild8 全世界每年產出73個million嘅鯊魚。其實呢個數據係嚟自於一個獨立調查報告，叫 Trade， 佢嘅數字係由43萬嘅million至73，而佢就斷章取義嗰個最高嘅數字。其實根據加拿大 Food and Agriculture Organization 部入口嘅疑似係合非法，其實喺加拿大嘅報告都冇記錄話，我哋入口嘅疑似係非法，全部都係從合法嘅途徑入口。稍後我會更多資料大家參考。健康醫療一份疑似所含嘅比例，即係2個 ppm， 比我哋食一份三文魚或者係三文魚更加低，所以呢個證據係亦都係絕對不成立。呢個係加拿大呢年嘅Trade Sector嘅數據，其實喺加拿大每年出口同埋入口3個總量，咁喺2011年最 update 嘅 figure 係39萬1000個 kilogram 係出口嘅，入口咧係29萬8000個 kilogram。咁喺加拿大可以合法捕捉鯊魚，而所得到嘅疑似就偏偏會入到垃圾桶，唔俾我哋食到。咁呢樣嘢公平嘅法例咧，大家可想而知啦。而家要記錄，其實加拿大係有4個國家我哋出口加拿大水捕捉到嘅鯊魚。出口到4個主要國家，包括英國、南韓、香港同日本。而家入口嘅疑似咧，亦都係嚟自同加拿大有關係嘅美國、斯里蘭、Tobago、Slovenia 同意大利。
咁其實大家都知道咧，一條鯊魚裏邊咧個皮咧，淨係佔鯊魚裏邊嘅5%嘅啫。其他95%都係可以用嚟做鯊魚其他嘅製成品嘅，譬如好似而家喺個鯊超裏邊咧，有鯊魚肝油啦，有嗰啲手袋啊、鞋啊，全部都係用鯊魚皮做啦。咁亦都有啲化妝品咧係用鯊魚骨粉去做嘅。咁你大家諗下，如果鯊魚其他嘅部分都可以用，淨係疑似唔可以用，咁你諗下，如果喺一個市裏邊，喺一個 strip mall 裏邊，我哋會見到有間 supermarket 佢係賣緊鯊魚扒，有間 pharmacy 有間 drug mart 佢係賣緊鯊魚丸，或者佢喺度買緊鯊魚骨嘅化妝品，咁跟住又有間鬼佬餐館嘅 fish and chips 佢係可以食到鯊魚扒，但係就偏偏喺嗰個 strip mall 裏面嘅海味鋪唔可以賣乾嘅魚翅，嗰間唐人酒樓唔可以食魚翅嘅時候，咁係咪一個公平嘅法例咧？喺加拿大入口嘅魚翅大部分都係美國嚟嘅，咁美國已經係唔可以有殺沙取其呢個咁殘酷嘅捕鯊行為，所以佢哋入親嚟嘅鯊魚都係legal咁樣入嚟嘅。咁另外一笪比較多入我哋進口鯊魚嘅咧，就係巴拿馬。咁巴拿馬亦都係每一個漁民去捕完鯊魚嘅時候，去拍翻手船埋岸嘅時候咧，嗰個鯊魚肉一定係要同鯊魚翅係成比例嘅。即係你有95%嘅鯊魚肉，就一定只可以有5%嘅鯊魚翅。而佢哋入口嚟加拿大嘅時候咧，佢係要俾啲證據加拿大海關係證明佢哋係冇殺沙取其呢種唔合法嘅捕鯊行為先可以入口嘅。咁喺大部分嘅歐洲國家，2003年已經禁止咗殺沙取其呢種行為。咁如果加拿大有咁嚴格嘅監管，而鯊魚亦都係合法嘅喺加拿大，點解我哋呢8個月嚟有一條咁唔公平嘅法例，淨係咁疑似咧？
其實大家都知道咧，喺國會嗰度咧 ，NDP 嘅 MP 咧 ，Don Taylor 咧就已經係議咗一個私人法案，就禁止所有魚翅入口。 其實當我睇到呢個私人法案嘅時候咧，我同包華亦都就好多都話騷擾啦，都見過佢。咁我哋只係提出嘅要求就禁止所有非法捕捉鯊魚魚翅入口，結果咧係完全聽我哋所講，一言孤行。結果喺上對面咧就係我會提議咗呢個方面，佢總共咧就提出咗5個私人法案啦。咁禁食所有鯊魚魚翅入口咧係其中一條，但相信咧佢都要一年半載咧先至排期咧，我哋國會都會討論呢件事。但問題我哋嘅工作咧就而家已經開始，我哋絕對唔可以等到1年半之後咧，佢提議嘅時候咧，我先做標標。咁而家嚟講咧，我哋繼續希望得到國會其他兩黨嘅支持，令到呢個法案冇法子通過。咁其實嚟緊你哋今晚所做一個對抗咧，其實我哋都知道大部分嘅係會用嚟作為呢個法律嘅規範。其實喺提出法律嘅訴訟之前咧，我哋仍有2項工作要做嘅。第一，就如果多倫多市政府星期日今次佢係發現我所提供嘅資料有錯誤嘅話咧，佢會提交翻市會再討論呢條法例。但我哋覺得呢個機會係非常之微嘅。第二就係、如果曾經同意立法得38位議員，其中有2/3同意係修改呢個法例，我哋就有機會再將呢個法例再提交俾多倫多市政府討論。但我覺得呢個機會亦都非常之微。佢哋已經投咗贊成票，點會再改變去投反對票咧？咁第3就係訴諸法律途徑。咁呢個咧，因為我哋澳門裏邊有好多嘅專業嘅律師，佢哋會提供寶貴意見，同埋我哋都會聘用最有經驗嘅律師樓去為我哋打呢場官司。咁但係我哋保證一樣嘢就係、我哋所有嘅資源都係嚟自普羅大眾，你哋嘅捐款，你哋每一分每一毫，我哋都會清楚交換，同埋 make sure 你哋所有嘅錢係真係完全係用喺正確嘅途徑，喺訴諸法律方面嘅。有冇嘢補充？